Hello, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Well, these guys have lights in front of their house. There's some lights over there, which you may be able to see. But this is what I was thinking on the last video. And luckily, no one's coming down the street. These guys take pumpkins and they make Halloween things out of them. They make Christmas things out of them. And they really go all out every year. I'm doing this for the people who haven't seen my channel or are new to the channel. But they spray paint these gold. They have candy canes. They did that last year. And the guys are setting off the fireworks early. I like the icicle snowflakes. And little lights along the sidewalk. Up there's that house again, and there's nothing on this street. Way down there is something. Little candy canes next door. I'm gonna go over there. And Santa and Mrs. Claus, I guess, or Caroler on the porch. So I like this. If I ever have a house, I'm gonna have some of these projection things. And oh, they got lights all over the roof too. So hard to do this when you're on foot. Oh, look at this, little lights in the, they got little lights in the palm tree in the tree. I didn't see that up a minute ago. Way up there. Isn't that neat? I don't know if those projection lights are real. That's cool. I don't know if you can see that or not. And this guy's ready for satellite. He's got 2 of them. Oh, looks like I'm running out of power. Alright, this is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Have a great night. Stay warm and dry and enjoy your new year. Bye-bye for now.